Hi again, everybody. It is Thursday, January 5th, 2023. Here's the updated Astro Excel chart with the data for the new year. We had a request for this picture from Russell. So what we've got going here, we're peaking out on the green line today. You can see right here, the green line peaks at the plus 10 line at about 8:20 this morning. Blue line spikes high at that same point, and then both lines are down. The green line is in a downtrend that's going to bottom out at 2300 on the 10th next week before it starts to turn back up. And that gets down to minus 24. So we're going to go from the 10 line down to the minus 24 line over the next 6 days. The blue line is kind of contained between the 10 lines. We do have key spikes. We have a key spike right at the day session close today at 16:05. Another spike in the evening at 2200. Spike tomorrow morning at 214. And then we've got some spikes inside the 10 lines and at the 0 line through Friday tomorrow. So we'll come back and revisit this again next week, but this will be the general landscape for the next few days.